Hey guys and gals, Ideas82 here with a new video, and today we're unboxing a brand new iPhone 6s Plus Refurbished edition, which is still a premium iPhone even in 2018 going into 2019 and beyond. Let's get it. Now, this is the 5.5-inch screen which comes in 4 colors: silver, gold, space gray, and rose gold. This is the 32GB gold version, priced at $479 US at the time, in the refurbished section at the bottom of the Apple.com shopping screen, where you'll find all sorts of deals on products you already like at a discount. Now, before we jump into the details, let's move into the unboxing. Unlike the brand new version priced at $739 Canadian or $549 in the US, which has a colorful box, this one simply comes in a plain white box with the iPhone 6s Plus lettering and the Apple logo on the side. Just getting off some of the plastic and taking off the lid, removing the tray, we'll come across some basic paper information related to the warranty, safety info, and some basics about the iPhone, and of course, the famous Apple stickers. Also included is your Apple charger, a Lightning to USB cable, and a pair of AirPods with microphone and remote controller. Now in the hands, it feels very thin, firm, and somewhat lightweight. It has a nice metallic feel and smooth corners. Compared to the iPhone 6 Plus, it's actually 0.02mm thicker with a stronger aluminum frame. Now, the design is pretty much identical to the iPhone 6 Plus, 7 Plus, and 8 Plus, apart from the dual cameras and glass back for wireless charging. On the back, you'll find a 12-megapixel iSight camera, which gives you crisper photos and records 4K video, a microphone, and dual-tone LED flash. On the front, we have a 5-megapixel camera, and below, a second-generation Touch ID sensor, which is really quick. On the bottom, you have your microphone, a headphone jack, speaker grill, and lightning connector. On the left along the side, you have the volume adjustment and mute lock screen orientation switch. Across from that, you'll see your power button and SIM card tray. Moving along through the setup process, you have the option to set up your finger for Touch ID. You're also prompted to set up your voice for Siri, so when you use the command "Hey Siri," it recognizes your voice only. Now once you've gone through and completed all the setup, we can get a look at the main screen. Again, we have a 5.5 Retina HD display with 3D touch, which is a 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution at 401 pixels per inch. It uses an A9 chip with 2 gigs of RAM, and here's a list of some of the other key features. At the end of the day, this is still one of the best smartphones on the market, even in 2018. Alright guys and gals, hopefully you liked and enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe while you're at it. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.